While working with search results or lists of references in VS Code, you can press F4 to navigate through the list. Here I'm just going to do a simple search. And if I press F4 now, I'll start navigating through these search results. So you can see it's focused on the first result now. If I press F4, it goes to the second. Third, it goes to the next file and the third result there. And I can just keep pressing F4 to go through this list. You can see it's also revealing the search result over here in my editor. If I hold Shift and press F4, I can then navigate backwards to the list. So now I'm going backwards to this list instead. This command is useful because you don't actually need to be focused on the search results for it to work. So here I'm focused in the editor, I can make code changes, and then press F4 and it will jump to the next result. F4 also works in the search results or the find all results view. So here I'm going to say find all references, and this is going to show a list of all the references to this function instead of just a textual search. And I can also use F4 within this view. So I'm going to say F4 here, and it's going through the list, and Shift F4 also works. So that is the F4 command, useful for working with search results in VS Code.